GNCRC gang, back once again. Thank you guys for joining us. Thanks for checking out all the videos. Thanks for all the comments, guys. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And everybody hit that like for me and leave a comment. Today we got an unboxing video, or unpackaging video, I guess we could say. And I'm going to show you guys where this is from. Well, never mind. That's what I'm trying to show you. We're going to jump right into this. This is something I've been waiting on for a while. But I will say, I got two orders from these guys. One was placed a long time before this one, but for some reason they sent this one first. And y'all probably know what this is, considering the time frame. You guys know what that is. I've been waiting on this for a while. I did pre-order two originally, and then I pre-ordered this one day last week. They shipped this one first for some reason. The other one won't arrive until Monday. Today is Friday, but we got it. Now, the dilemma I'm having is, I think I'm going to go ahead and put this one in here. I got a deadbolt that I need to put one in, and then I also have this bouncer I'm working on that I need to put one in. But I think I'm going to go ahead and get it in here. The deadbolt is just completely stopped, so I think we're going to go ahead and get it in this thing. And if you guys noticed the last video, I took care of that problem that we were having with the magnets. Well, not with the magnets, the body mounts. We got magnets on this thing, guys. Works like a charm. And we also have the SDXC shocks on there. Pretty cool. But until next time, guys, this is GNCRC, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing probably mounted in here, and hopefully we have a video coming pretty soon with it crawling on my course, and then at some point we're going to take it to the course that I always crawl at Miss South Hobbies. We got some bunch of stuff coming for this. I'm not going to say a bunch of stuff, but we got some stuff coming for this thing, guys. It's not a crawler, but we're going to kind of make it do some things that it wasn't designed to do, but we're going to still just mess around with it. It's going to be pretty fun. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.